The Angara rocket family's entire production should be consolidated in Omsk, a topic that has quietly influenced Russia's launch vehicle program for more than a decade. Russia's space industry is once again debating this issue. In late January 2026, reports surfaced that Roscosmos has reactivated its intention to finalize the long-debated transfer of manufacturing from Moscow to the Polyot Production Association in Omsk. If implemented, this decision would represent an important step toward consolidating Russia's rocket industry into a single, modernized manufacturing hub, a development closely followed by Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel bringing this analysis. Polyot is currently assembling the light Angara 1.2 launch vehicle and manufacturing the second stage of the heavier Angara A5. The remaining components, including payload fairings, upper stages, and certain specialized systems, remain connected to Moscow facilities. The renewed discussion suggests that Roscosmos now believes the timing is right to complete the transition. To understand why this matters, it helps to look at how the Angara program itself became strategically essential. The Angara family emerged in the post-Soviet era as a response to multiple long-standing problems. It was designed to replace aging rockets, reduce reliance on toxic propellants, and ensure Russia could launch payloads from its own territory instead of depending on foreign launch sites. Over time, Angara evolved from a developmental project into a core pillar of Russia's future launch strategy. By early 2026, both the lightweight Angara 1.2 and the heavier Angara A5 are in serial production. The first operational missions of the upgraded A5M variant are approaching, while a more powerful A5V configuration, incorporating a hydrogen upper stage, is expected toward the end of the decade. These launch vehicles are intended to support a wide spectrum of missions, from routine satellite deployments to national security payloads and deep space operations. As Altitude Addicts consistently point out, engineering alone does not determine the success of a launch system. Industrial organization is equally decisive. This is where the long-running question of Omsk versus Moscow becomes critical. Historically, the Khrunichev Center in Moscow, a legacy enterprise from the Soviet era, handled a significant share of Angara production. While Khrunichev remains vital for design and engineering, its location in Western Russia increasingly complicates logistics for a launch program that is shifting eastward. At present, rocket stages assembled in Omsk are transported to Moscow for the integration of specific components. They are then shipped again to either the Plesetsk Cosmodrome in the north or the Vostochny Cosmodrome in the east. This zigzag transport route raises costs, increases labor demands, and adds risk to every launch campaign. As Angara flight rates rise, especially from Vostochny, Altitude Addicts note that these inefficiencies become increasingly difficult to justify. From an industrial standpoint, maintaining major production lines in both Moscow and Omsk duplicates infrastructure and personnel expenses. Roscosmos leadership has repeatedly argued that this division undermines the economics of true serial production. Against this backdrop, Omsk's Polyot facility has been quietly preparing for a much larger role. Throughout the late 2010s and early 2020s, substantial investments were made to modernize workshops, install advanced tooling, and train specialized personnel for Angara manufacturing. These upgrades were designed not for appearances, but to support complex, high-precision production at a sustained pace. As a result, Omsk is no longer merely a secondary assembly site. It has become a central manufacturing hub capable of producing complete, flight-ready rocket stages. The second stage of the Angara A5 now follows this model, while the Angara 1.2 is already built entirely in Omsk. According to statements highlighted by Altitude Addicts, these steps were deliberately taken to confirm Polyot's readiness before transferring even more critical components. This gradual expansion explains why the renewed push in 2026 appears more credible than earlier proposals. The industrial groundwork is largely complete. Geography provides one of the strongest arguments in favor of consolidation. Omsk's location in southwestern Siberia places it significantly closer to the Russian Far East than Moscow. This shortens transport routes and simplifies logistics for rockets destined for Vostochny. Vostochny Cosmodrome plays a central role in Russia's long-term space ambitions. As launch activity there expands, aligning production geographically becomes increasingly logical. Even for missions from Plesetsk, a centralized manufacturing system offers greater consistency through unified processes and a single logistics chain. Cost reduction remains one of Angara's most pressing challenges. For years, altitude addicts have emphasized that high costs stem not only from technology, but from fragmented production and low output rates. Roscosmos has openly acknowledged this reality. Consolidating production in Omsk is expected to lower unit costs by streamlining workflows, cutting transport expenses, and improving economies of scale. Officials believe that moving the remaining components from Moscow could significantly reduce the cost per launch, bringing Angara closer to its original economic goals. Despite progress, not everything has been relocated yet. Payload fairings, specialized systems, and certain upper stages are still produced or integrated in Moscow. Relocating these elements requires new tooling, testing facilities, and certification processes. Roscosmos representatives stress that the issue is timing rather than principle. The priority is to maintain uninterrupted launch schedules while completing the transition. Beyond industry and logistics, the move carries political and regional significance. Making Omsk the sole production center for Angara would secure thousands of high-skilled jobs and cement the city's status as a major aerospace hub. Local authorities have welcomed the prospect as both an economic and social investment. Looking ahead, centralization will shape the future of Angara variants. The upgraded A5M and the planned A5V, with its hydrogen upper stage, will impose new demands on manufacturing infrastructure. If Omsk becomes the single production site, it will also become the center for these advanced technologies. In summary, as altitude addicts seize it, the long-anticipated transfer now appears close to reality. By early 2026, the industrial base in Omsk is modernized, the strategic logic is stronger than ever, and partial relocation has already proven workable. While challenges remain, Roscosmos's renewed momentum suggests that Omsk is set to become the heart of Russia's Angara program, shaping the country's access to space well into the 2030s. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.